better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? As you can see from the title, we'll be working with the lovely Nadula hair. They went ahead and sent me their brand new 6x4 lace closure unit, and it is 150 density of 24 inches in body wave. And girl, we're giving, okay? It's giving natural waves, work vibes. Like, this hair is cute. I love it. It's very put together, very simplistic, and it is 100% glueless. I do speak about how I feel about this unit in the end of the video, so stay tuned if you want to see that. But as for right now, the links for this gorgeous wig will be in the description box for you to purchase. And let's jump into today's tutorial so I can show you guys how to get your Nadula unit looking just like this.
I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. Love is all that tears apart. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be too. You just say the word and I run through. Two texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, so you never get the glow, it's the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slide, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DM, they electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your right, go to mom. Everybody say, how can you come about your face and say I ain't the hardest nigga you done never heard? I left a black, a rapper's dead and bird. A verse for me is like 11 birds. It didn't let us take $2,000 every bird. I'm on the bird, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. Then told a nigga that they got away from it. I know you ain't hard to man. I'm ballin' on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm counting all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram on the man. Me at Honda. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. I'm just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, not two. You just say the word and I run through. Two texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, I know. Perch up, I can make a brick walk. Up, no, down, so make it a picture walk. Hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward. Book a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready to come down. That's a part of the rest of bread. I got a lady, she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in that little, she gon' ride. I seen a plane and shot it like birds. I'm in that London with some big thighs. Don't fry, she snakes with the fish thighs. Did your mama tell you something on 5 stop rock and roll? I've been on the road like a pass counters of stop and go. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch, you ain't demon. Got your broad in the garage, you ain't seen it. Every time a nigga go back to the war, niggas act like they won't start it. We leave them on the cement. Me at Honda. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. I'm just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, not two. You just say the word and I run through. Two texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, I knew. I crushed down the money. Put it all down, no place. Follow sight. And me at London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, not two. You just say the word and I run through. Two texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, so you never get the glow, it's the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slide, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DM, they electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your right, go to mom. Everybody say, how can you come about your face and say I ain't the hardest nigga you done never heard? I left a black, a rapper's dead and bird. A verse for me is like 11 birds. It didn't let us take $2,000 every bird. I'm on the bird, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. Then told a nigga that they got away from it. I know you ain't hard to man. I'm ballin' on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm counting all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram on the man. Me at Honda. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. I'm just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, not two. You just say the word and I run through. Two texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, I know. Perch up, I can make a brick walk. Up, no, down, so make it a picture walk. Hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward. Book a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready to come down. That's a part of the rest of bread. I got a lady, she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in that little, she gon' ride. I seen a plane and shot it like birds. I'm in that London with some big thighs. Don't fry, she snakes with the fish thighs. Did your mama tell you something on 5 stop rock and roll? I've been on the road like a pass counters of stop and go. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch, you ain't demon. Got your broad in the garage, you ain't seen it.
gorgeous wig is from Nadula Hair. They went ahead and sent me their brand new 6x4 pre-cut, pre-plucked body wave unit in 24 inches. This is just what it looks like. I did go ahead and do some light layering as well as just framing my face so that everything, you know, comes together, because this unit is 150 density. But honestly, so far so good. I'm having no issues with this unit. Let's get into the review portion of today's video. So in regards to the lace, it was super easy to melt, super easy to work with. The knots were really small. It was easy to bleach, and of course I did not do any plucking whatsoever, which saves so much time, especially if you are a beginner. And I'm pretty sure everybody and their mama done had a wig, but you know, there's some people that just go to a stylist to do it because they don't know how to do their own hair. And I'm here to tell you, girl, if you are trying or you want to try to get into doing your own hair, this is a great practice wig for that. Literally melted, and we didn't have to do too much at all. Just cut some baby hairs out. You know, you saw what we did in the tutorial. But honestly, I'm very much here for this unit because it is very much inclusive in regards to being beginner friendly. It was easy to work with. It didn't have a smell, so if you're worried about that, girl, it smells regular. It smells like hair, no factory chemical smell, nothing like that. And it is really nice and soft. It is not on the coarse side. I do tend to like body wave units to be coarse, but this unit is silky soft, so if you are looking to straighten this unit, it would be perfect for that. Crimps, pretty much body wave is very much versatile. You could do wand curls, crimps, regular curls, straighten. Like this hair got it. It's really soft, like butter soft. Even though I used some hairspray to get a little texture, still soft, and I really like that. And of course these curls will eventually fall into waves, which is very cute. As you can see, like, it's already starting, and that is absolutely no problem. But if you're looking for some hair that will hold the curl for a while, I definitely do recommend keeping your pins in longer, because that right there is where the whole curl forming process like takes place. In regards to shedding, none. Tangling, none. And I did do light layers. If I didn't do layers, there would be no hair out of this wig. Like, the wig is pretty much like it's nice. It's very much a cute wig. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from Nadula Hair, which I would definitely recommend, like, I have no cons, no bad thoughts about this unit. Maybe that I probably would have gotten it in like 180 density for the length that I got, but this is absolutely fine. Like, we could work with it. It's very much natural, and if you are like, your face is like on the skinnier or slimmer side, I definitely recommend sticking to this than getting a higher density, because then you'll just look crazy unless you're going for that look. And yeah, the links for this gorgeous wig will be in the description box for you to purchase if you'd like to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.